Here are the top reasons you're gonna fall in love with 50 Evelyn Avenue.
This home has been completely transformed top to bottom with a full renovation in 2018. This one is ready for you to move in and enjoy.
How can you not love this location? Close to absolutely everything. The best schools, transit, and we are sandwiched between Hyde Park, Blair West Village, and the Junction.
This private drive and rare two-car garage, very unique for the neighborhood.
This home has a breathtaking primary bedroom flooded with natural light, a walk-in closet, and massive ensuite bathroom.